Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for the latest tech reviews and discussions. I'm your host, and today we have an exciting topic to cover. The long-awaited Google Pixel Fold has finally arrived, bringing some serious competition to Samsung in the foldable phone arena. Let's dive right in and see what this device has to offer. The Pixel Fold challenges Samsung head-on with its sleek design and durable hinge. Google has addressed some key concerns with the Galaxy Fold series, offering a thinner profile and a wider front display. They even claim to have the most durable hinge in the market, but be cautious, as drop tests are never recommended. However, one aspect where the Pixel Fold falls short is its price. Starting at $1,799, it matches the cost of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and is expected to be on par with the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5. Keep in mind that the Pixel Fold does have noticeable bezels and a visible crease. Now, let's delve into the details of this device. The first thing you'll notice about the Pixel Fold is the wider 5.8-inch cover display, which allows for comfortable typing without feeling cramped. This is a welcome change compared to the narrower front screen on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. You can efficiently accomplish tasks without even needing to open the main screen. Opening up the Pixel Fold reveals its remarkable thinness. Measuring just 0.2 inches, it is currently the thinnest foldable phone available. This advantage makes it a great option for extended reading sessions, providing a more immersive experience. However, there are a few downsides to consider. The Pixel Fold weighs 10 ounces, slightly more than the Z Fold 4, and the bezels surrounding the display are quite substantial. On a positive note, Google has engineered a robust 180-degree fluid friction hinge that's designed to withstand over 200,000 folds. Moving on, the Pixel Fold offers various usage modes thanks to its flexible design. There's a convenient hands-free tabletop mode, perfect for video calls, watching videos, and capturing photos without needing a tripod. Additionally, the device's tablet mode allows for optimal use of more than 50 Google-optimized apps, with collaboration from popular third-party apps such as TikTok, Spotify, Asphalt 9, and Disney+. Similar to the Galaxy Z Fold, you can run two apps side by side on the Pixel Fold's large display. Drag and drop functionality between windows, like Google Photos and Messages, is seamless. Moreover, a taskbar simplifies app switching, intelligently disappearing when not in use. The Pixel Fold's camera setup is impressive, featuring a 4.8MP main sensor, a 10.8 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 10.8 megapixels telephoto camera with a 5x optical zoom and 20x super res zoom. The cover display houses a 9.5 megapixels front camera, while an 8 megapixels inner camera is available for selfies and video calls. You can even utilize the rear camera selfie mode by flipping the cover display out. During our hands-on experience, we were pleased with the camera quality, capturing sharp portraits and even zooming in to reveal fine details. Google's Tensor G2 chip, coupled with 12 GB of RAM, ensures smooth performance and efficient multitasking. The device comes with 256 GB of storage, with a 512 GB option available. Battery life is always a crucial aspect, and the Pixel Fold houses a 4,727 mAh battery, surpassing the capacity of the Galaxy Z Fold 4. However, Google's reputation for battery life leaves some skepticism. We'll have to wait and see if it can compete with other top performers in our best phone battery life list. Charging options include 30W wired charging, matching the Pixel 7 series, as well as Qi wireless charging. Now, let's sum up our impressions of the Google Pixel Fold. Overall, we have a mixed reaction to the Pixel Fold. It excels with its wider cover display, thin design, and well-optimized apps for multitasking. The camera system, especially the 5x telephoto zoom, impressed us as well. However, the chunky bezels and noticeable crease raise some concerns. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique, where we bring you the latest in tech reviews. Stay tuned for our detailed Pixel Fold review, coming soon. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Until next time, this is your host signing off.